Hey guys, today we are replacing the rear shocks on this Toyota Auris, so stay tuned. So we start by jacking the car up and remove the wheels. So inside the trunk there is this cover. Let's remove that. And this nut is a 17 millimeter, and the fitting on the shock is a 6 millimeter Allen. So we start off by removing this. Top mount. So now we are done inside the trunk, so let's go underneath. Oh, by the way, this is the part number for the two rear shocks that I ordered, just so you know. There's just a little bit of rain coming. Nice to be working inside the garage. So you wanna remove this 17 millimeter bolt, and on the other side there's a 17 millimeter nut. And these can be tight. So there's the nut. like so. And now we can compress the shock. There you are. Now we have to transfer this part over to the new shock. Here we have the new shock. Remove this and slide this over like so, and you want to compress this like 1 or 2 times. And when you go over like speed bumps and such, the shock will continue to prime itself, or what you want to call it, so it will become more stiff, if you will. So we want to slide this into place. And line up the hole. Wow! Easy. Right tool for the right job. And replace the nut. And spray some lube on this, like so. And we want to make sure that the top part slides into place on the upper mount. Like so. Now we just have to tighten this nut. And I'm sure there's a torque spec on this, but I don't have it. If you're interested, just Google it. I'm sure that's not going anywhere. So let's replace the upper nut. So we replace this bushing. You wanna hold this hex to keep it from spinning. And tighten it as hard as you feel it's good. I'm sure there's a torque spec on this too, but as I said, Google it. Okay, now we can replace this cover. Put it the right way, like so, and you're done. Just replace the wheel and put her to the ground and take her for a test drive. Hey guys, let's take her for a spin. She feels a lot stiff. I feel that this is a job well done. There are some speed bumps if we go this way. about. Okay, let's head back to the garage. Well guys, now you know how I go about replacing these rear shocks on Toyota Auris. And as always, give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.